Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Harmony one coin. What's the current price of Harmony and what is the price change occur at this time in a Harmony, and what is the next move of Harmony, and this video I will show you friends. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now if we talk about the current price of Harmony one coin, so the current price is about 0.133308 USD dollar is the current price of Harmony one coin. And if we talk about the change occurred in Harmony coin, so the last 1 hour chain is negative, and the last 1 day chain is also negative, in the last 1 week chain as positive friends. So that's mean that the previous last 1 day, yesterday, the funding period of the Harmony one coin starts now friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Harmony coin friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 week price prediction chart, and if we look the last 1 day period, so as you can see the last 1 day absolutely only fast occur in a Harmony one coin friends. But if we look the another change, as you can see the previous day's change in a Harmony one coin, so positive 9.07% change occur in a Harmony coin. And same like that, if we talk about the current price of Harmony coin, so the current price is about 0.132445 USD dollar is the current price of Harmony one coin friends. So the previous period of the Harmony coin as good, as you can see, take a jump, only on the jump occur in the Harmony one coin, but unfortunately yesterday the falling period of the Harmony one coin starts now friends. For more details what's the next move comes in a Harmony coin, we have to do a technical analysis. Let's suppose that is a support line and that is a resistance line friends. So I think that now they break this support line and the support become resistance. So as you know, when the support become resistance, so that's mean that the big dump occurs in this coin friends. So same process occur in the Harmony one coin friends, but I hope this that this fast is not a high fast, that is a temporary fast for some time, and after a passage of some time again they just take a jump and take a high jump, and they will give you a good amount of profit in the future friends. So what's your opinion about the Harmony one coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe to our Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.